Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs. We're here in Lakeview, part of New Orleans. This is just spectacular new build. We're here today to look at waterproofing that second story balcony. Guy had a plan, a little bit different, but we completed the copper arch top dormers up there. We're doing a custom chimney cap here, kind of wrapping things up. They're getting ready to complete the final steps inside. Got the hardwood floors in, which obviously we're not part of, but just wanted to show you some beautiful solid steel and low E glass pivot front door. Absolutely gorgeous. Copper finials on the roof. Just a quick shout out to y'all.